mga abe, welcome to my channel. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Kuya JDL. Nandito nga po pala tayo sa Metro Convention Center sa Toronto, August 24, 2024, kung saan ginaganap po ang Fan Expo na 4 na araw po. At ngayon pong araw na ito, hindi kagaya last year na nag-concentrate lang tayo sa mga cosplayer. Ngayon po ay pupunta tayo sa In Conversation sa tatlo po na artista na nasa ating listahan. Wala pong iba kung hindi Simu, ang Canadian actor, si Cameron Monaghan. Alright, purito ko sa nasa Gotham na real life partner na sina Ben McKenzie and Morena Baccarin. So, ito po yung mga videos na nakunan ko sa kanila sa In Conversation o yung mga tinatawag natin na sound bites. Okay?
Favorite behind-the-scenes moment from Shang-Chi?
Favorite behind-the-scenes moment from Shang-Chi? Well, Corey. Well, so Tony Leung, for those, I think everybody knows.
That's right.
The man, the legend, Hong Kong cinema legend, frequent, kind of work with Wong Kar-wai if you're into, Asian cinema at all. I mean, that's like your Mount Rushmore. The Shaq and Kobe,
Yes.
the Jordan and Pippen of Hong Kong
That's right.
cinema, right?
That's a solid comparison.
Thank you.
Is this something that you're like, oh my god, if I get a chance to do anything Star Wars, I will do it? Or was this sort of something that you were like, oh, yeah, I guess I'll do that?
Yeah, I mean, I always loved the movies growing up as a kid. I had the VHS box that was Darth Vader's head of the original trilogy, and I used to watch those all the time. And I would stare at that box with a lot of deference and admiration. And when we were playing on the playground, I used to pretend to be Darth Vader.
Amazing.
Kind of had a Darth Vader thing for sure. I remember going to the movie theaters to watch The Phantom Menace when I was a kid. I must have been 6 years old or something with my grandfather. And I was kind of the perfect age for the prequel trilogy because I was kind of aging as they continually got more mature.
Yeah.
So I think 12, 13 when Revenge of the Sith came out, if I remember correctly, which was the perfect age again for that movie. So I got very lucky. Star Wars was always very much a part of my childhood, and I desperately wanted to be in a Star Wars project.
Black Canary, represent all the way. Would you ever consider coming back as Black Canary, or if you were in the DC animated series, who would you want to be voice actor?
So many questions there.
Sorry,
I actually am on a Spotify, I think it's a good time for this, Spotify Batman Unburied series playing Talia Wolf, so you have that to look forward to. Black Canary was fun. I have to say I don't have a giant connection to that. It was a kids animated, so it was really fun to do, but I didn't get to.
Awesome, and you played Jim Gordon. Could you please say GCPD open up in your gym voice, please?
GCPD, open up.
So my name's Demetra.
Okay, mga abe, yun nga po ang sound bites ng ating mga artistang pinuntahan ngayon. At dahil isang araw lang tayo pupunta dito, ito lang po ang hatid natin sa inyo. So who knows, next year, 4 na araw na tayong pupunta sa Fan Expo 2024. At syempre, nagpapasalamat po ako sa aking kasama ngayon na si Ian, ang aking cameraman. Pakita ka naman! Ito po, ang aking kasama si Ian. Hi ka naman. Siya po ang aking cameraman ngayon. Maraming salamat. Muli po, ako po ang inyong lingkod, Kuya JDL, na nagsasabi po na maraming salamat po at sana po ay makapag-subscribe kayo sa ating channel. Okay, bye!